Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to remove the programs in Windows 7. Click on the Start button and go to Control Panel. Under Program Selection, click on Uninstall a program link. Find the program you want to uninstall. Select the program you want to uninstall and click on Uninstall button. Click Yes. As you can see, the selected program has been removed from your computer. Now, use programs such as a cleaner to remove stray files and keep your computer running smoothly. This is how we can remove programs on Windows 7.